Yeah, that's fantastic. You can put 20 amps or 40 amps, it will adjust. That is fantastic.
Well, it's adjusting to the load inside where the furnace is. So as the pressures of the refrigerant change, the compressor changes, and the fan changes based on temperatures and pressure. That's why it's got all those sensors and stuff. It's a Briant variable compressor, rotary compressor, 19 seer, and she's running right now. Can't really hear it. Hear a little bit of a hum of that circuit board.
Take care.
Okay.
And I promise you, as usual, when anybody puts me on aircon, I always mention